Hi, everybody. Welcome to Truly Tara. That's the name that I have decided on, and it is, I think, the best name because this channel is all about being true to you guys who I want to educate on the beauty products, the skincare products, makeup, what have you. I want to give you a true, honest review of these things and let you know if it's worth it or if it's not. So, um, I think that that's the best, and I've been running names back and forth, and that just it sounds good to me. So I think after a lot of time, I've just finally decided that that's what it's going to be, Truly Tara, and it has nothing to do with how much I love Truly Beauty. Not biased to them at all. I am a smidge, but I open a lot of boxes and I order a lot of beauty products, skincare, and I just would really like to educate other people um, that may be trying to decide whether it's a good idea to to buy or purchase. And if I can help one or two people, then I'm good with that. I'm having fun with this, and that was the goal, and so I've reached it. um Today I'm going to do ZC, and I'm getting a little frustrated with ZC. It takes forever to get here, which, I have to wait a full month to get it. And sometimes it'll be here in a week, and then other times it takes a full month. Uh, I'm agitated with it because tracking, it wasn't showing up. It showed up to a certain point and then it stopped. And, whenever you're expecting a box to come in, and you're excited about it, it gets agitating. And so I was glad to see that it was finally here today, but it came in a little bag. I've already opened the bag, but like this is it. So their subscription box is $42.80 after shipping and everything. So okay, this is a repeat, repeat, repeat. I don't know how many of these that I have. So it's getting about time to let ZC go. I mean, okay, so next we have a glitter liquid eyeshadow. That's cool. I haven't I know I've gotten the glitter mascara, and I'm not about a glitter mascara at all. That to me just screams that's going to aggravate my eyes, and I don't know anybody that would argue with that. Okay, so that's a pretty color. I mean, it's pretty. I like it. It's very shiny. I like it. It's pretty. Okay, so next we have imprinting lipstick. I don't know exactly what imprinting lipstick is. I'm going to guess that it is a lipstick that has, um, oh, okay. Nope. Looks like a gloss. And I hate red lipstick. I'm just not a red lipstick person. Okay. So, wow. One, two, three. Wow. This is not, I'm not happy with this. So, one, two, three, four things. So unless this completely blows me away and I have no idea. Okay, it's a eyeshadow compact. I hope this blows me away. There always does seem to be one thing in the box that I completely fall in love with. but I don't use it every day. And, or I don't use it. I mean, I use it. This stuff I don't use very often. Oh man, okay. I've been wanting this for a while. And this is why I stay subscribed to them, because I see this stuff on their site and it looks so cool. And I always think, well, maybe I'll get it in my box. Well, okay. Um, I'm not. Oh, I don't know. I'm not big on green and yellow. So, oh wow. Okay, so I love this. This is amazing. But those colors, but I mean, I'll give it a go, you know. I don't know. Not not my colors. Um so I'm a little let down. $42 a month. It's about time to tell them goodbye. I wish the company Florasis, their Japanese makeup. This is Chinese makeup. I wish that they had a subscription box, but they don't have a lot of products. But what they have come out with has been absolutely amazing. So I wish that they would. I wish they would come out with a box. But all right. Well, that's going to be it for this one, because I have another one to get to, and I'm really excited about it. Um, Zeesea, yeah, um, I'm. This has been probably my fourth or fifth month with them, and a couple of the boxes have been amazing, but most of them have been mediocre for $42 a month. It's too much. I'm going to be letting it go. There's too many other things out there. I will get comfortable with something, and that's why I haven't canceled yet. So, but maybe I'll put on that green eyeshadow and be blown away. Who knows? All right. You guys have a good one. Please like, subscribe, comment. I know that it has shown up in some feeds of people that are not just on Facebook but on YouTube. As long as you're liking and subscribing and all that stuff, then it will put my name up there, and I would really, really appreciate it. I want to reach as many people as I can, and not because I just really the type of people that we are. So, all right, you guys have a good one. Bye.